At this stage, I will try to register my internet gate to our system, so I could operate the PremAIR unit with the mobile application. So I'm logging into the website premair.alnor.pl, and this is an equivalent for the application PremAIR present in the Android system or iOS. Just to show how it works, it's easier to done on the website, on the web browser. So I'm on the main page. I click the register option. Oh, here I will write my name. It's only for the purpose of database. I'll write my email and I will create a password. Okay. And here the most important thing is to put in the MAC address of the internet gate HRQ-PremAIR-GATE unit, and I can get this MAC address from the back side of the equipment. Here I remember this, so I will just put it in from my from the Chrome memory. Okay, so I input all the data. I click on register, and I see user successfully registered. So I'm in the system now. My internet gate is put in the system database. So I just click login. I will use the data I just used for the registration. Just click enter. And now I'm in the application menu. And what I see at the first pop-up after logging in for the first time, I see that I have to perform the binding of the bridge and the main unit. It means I have to bind wirelessly, of course, the internet gate with the unit memory port. Yeah. So to do this, the unit has to be switched off and on, and default value is 10 minutes. So from switching on the unit, I have 10 minutes to perform the binding. So I already done this. So my unit has just been switched on again. So I'm within the 10 minutes period, and I'm clicking next. And now it takes about 2 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer. That's why we wrote 10 to 10 minutes for the data to be stored in and connect with the database and so on. And after just a short time, the values will appear on the screen or in the application if you are doing this via the mobile application. So just wait a second. Okay, I'm logged into the mobile application / internet browser option, and now I can see the basic parameters of the unit. Here I got the readouts from 4 temperature sensors. In this case, the temperature is the same on all 4 because I have the unit in the room next to me, so no outdoor air or something like that. So I can see the readouts of the temperatures. I can see the current mode the unit is in. This means away mode. I can see the fan efficiency of the current mode with this representation of movement. I can see the filters here. They are white. If they would be dirty, they would change the color to black, and the appropriate option about dirty filters would appear. Okay, so here I can see also the status of the bypass. Here is 0%. It means it's open at 0%, so it's fully closed. If the bypass would open, then the percentage would change, of course, and indicate the current status of the bypass. Okay, that's all the information I see. Also, if I would have a preheater installed in the system, I would see the preheater here, a graphic of a preheater. Okay, below I can see the mode. This is the basic operation panel. I can change the modes simply: away, home, party, which represents 3 speeds of the unit, here is the boost, which can trigger the high speed for some period of time. As you can see, 30, 60 or 90 minutes. For example, I can click it and maybe even you can hear the unit working because it's next to me. Okay, I will go back to the, for example, home mode. What I can see here is also a standby mode, which is not available on standard units. I'll just click back to way, which is the standby mode is not present in the standard physical controllers because the ventilation should be always on. But here in the application, we give this option just to switch on, switch off the unit, exactly switch off the ventilators. So I can click the standby, and here you can see the ventilators go to 0%, which means they are not working currently. Also, I can see the auto mode, which would be available after adding at least one sensor to the system, which I will show in the next video. Okay, I can go now to explain modes. For example, some help desk for the user. A menu which shows and explains the settings, the modes to choose from. Okay, just switch it off. Here I have a button for advanced settings. I agree that I will go into advanced settings. At this stage, we have the summary of readouts, temperatures, fan speeds. Currently, you can see exhaust and supply fan is 0. Additional heater, if present, here would be noted. And defrost mode inactive currently because the temperature is very high. We do not have a window. I don't have minus temperatures in this room, so the defrost mode is not working currently, of course, but it will be automatically triggered if necessary. Bypass 0% opened. Filters okay. If dirty, then I would see here a notification. And emergency stop inactive. Emergency stop is something that when the unit detects very low supply temperature to the building, that it would go to emergency stop. And here are all the readouts. Additional menu for sensors, which are currently not added to the system, as I mentioned just in the next video. So I can go back to the modes. Once again, look at the menu. Here at the right bottom, I have settings. I can change the language, Polish, English, and German. I can bind. So once again, to bind the unit with the unit if something was resetted. In this case, we did it already. Registering sensors, which I will just show you in a minute, and logging out if I'm finished. Okay, so let's go to the sensors.